How to add team members on Square. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add team members on Square. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Square account by launching the app. Now once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the checkout page automatically. That is this page, as you can see on my screen. So once you're on the checkout page, you'll see some digits and all of that. And then by the lower part of the screen, you'll see some options, some icons representing options like checkout, transactions, notifications, more. All right, so once you can see this, the next step or the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on the more option, which is the icon by the lower right corner. Now at this stage, I must let you know that Square accounts differ according to location and your country, that is regional location. Currently in my country, which is Nigeria, where I am, there are some features that are not yet available on the app, so I won't be able to show you vividly, but just listen to the explanations that I'll be giving you in this video. So after clicking on the more option, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see welcome back, and then you'll see some options as well, such as orders, reports, items, customers, add-ons, referrals, support, then settings. So just go ahead and click on settings. So once you click on settings, I take it to the settings page. On this page, you see other options as well. So just go ahead and select account. Now, after selecting account, for you, depending on your region, you will see the option business information. You see the tab business information. Under business information, ensure you select business security. Okay. So once you select business security, you will then be taken to the dashboard, and then on the dashboard you'll see other options such as create team member. It is just locate the create team member option, click on it, and then enter the team members details, which include their name, their contact information, etc. And after you put in that, you'll be asked to create to set a permission for them, that which kind of title do you want them to have, with the do you want them to be admin, do you want them to be manager, all of that. Ensure you select it, and then after selecting it, you will now be able to invite your team member. So send an invite to them, and then from there, once they accept the invite, they will become your team member on the Square application. So that is how it works. Okay, it is very, very simple. Just try it out like I have explained. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.